Where do we get the sign that Kinney's got to go?
Thank you.
You run the ones in Waterbury and everything?
I don't run any of them.
Okay.
You look on the Facebook page, those are the people who are the administrators. However, since I'm a Tea Party organizer for 4.5 years, I pick and choose where I want to go. And when I saw this place, I knew this was the best one in Connecticut that I've seen yet. Heaviest traffic.
One in Waterbury is pretty good too.
One in Waterbury is very good. That was my idea. Also, Waterbury and here.
Oh look, somebody stopped.
Hello.
I'm from the New Haven Register.
Oh, good.
Why do you want to impeach Obama?
Hey, how about the IRS?
The IRS scandal, there's another good reason. Okay, that was it. That ended.
We notified Channel 8 TV too. We'll see if they come later.
Why are you shooting me?
Well, you're at our rally and you're a reporter, so I want... Huh? New Haven Register.
That's good.
On the west side of Howard Avenue, we have a reporter from the New Haven Register taking video and interviews. We have a couple who came all the way down from New Fairfield. And it's an ongoing thing. And we're on this side of the street too. And the traffic is slowing down on this side pretty well. Let America hear and see the waves, the beeps, and this is in New Haven, Connecticut, about a bluest part of a blue state as you can get. There's travelers here coming from Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and they're coming from New Jersey and Pennsylvania and New York State. They're going out of Connecticut. They're coming into Connecticut. We're catching them coming and going. Listen to the beeps. Look at the waves. This is the Patriot wave. It's not going to stop until Obama is impeached. Join the movement. Go on Facebook. We're there. Overpasses to impeach Obama -Connecticut and overpasses to impeach Obama nationwide. Check out your Facebook. Google it. You might even see this video and you'll see yourself down in the car waving. Look at those waves. Hello there. Look at those waves. It's like every 10th car is waving. I think they're so stunned they forgot to beep. We want to vote again. These drivers are telling us, they're saying, we want to vote again.
Definitely made in China. Some works, some don't work.
Did the news reporter tape you? Did he interview you?
Several people. Were you? Pardon, what's your name?
Javier.
Were you? Do you mind me videoing you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. I'd go even further. I'd say should have let him come into the country.
Who wants that night here tonight?
Beep, 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 beep.
Oh,